Today we're at the Grand Traverse County Civic Center at MiCareerQuest Northwest. It's an event that brings hands-on activities to students, and we're from the industries of manufacturing, construction, agriculture, hospitality, healthcare, and IT. We have 60 employers representing over 100 different occupations. We've targeted all 9th grade from the 10-county region, that's 30 districts. So we have just over 2,000 students. The whole purpose behind this event is just to get the students and the employers starting conversations about these occupations. We have so many different areas that are in need of employees, and so what our goal is to get these students in the room with the employers and get the conversation started, see what their interests are and if they want to take a different direction. So this is definitely not a job fair, and it's not a career expo, and the difference is that today we have employers who are engaging students with a hands-on component of that occupation so that the student can touch and feel what it might be like to do an activity related to, let's say, a mason or a programmer. So it is that really embracing that hands-on activity to really get the students engaged and let them get a feel for what that occupation might look like.
We have students that need to get out there and talk to local employers. They need to get out and learn what careers are available for them out in the future. And it's really important for them to not only be from, we're from the Cadillac area. It's important for them to get out and see what Traverse City has to offer, what the Northern Michigan has to offer for careers. To get the students in and talk to a lot of employers, not just in the healthcare field, but in the construction industry and the manufacturing industry. Get them out there, get them understanding what different career options are available for them, and then help them take that into their future years in high school to hopefully get them on the right career path.
Well, right now there's a big shortage in skilled trades. And these events are excellent places to recruit them. We like to get started young, so by the time they're seniors in high school, they kind of know what they want to do by then.
It's important to expose young people to opportunities in all these different fields that they may have never even known about or considered. We specialize in construction, and the opportunity to let people know that there's viable careers and apprenticeship opportunities in that type of field is it's a wonderful thing, and we're happy to be doing it today. This is going to be huge in helping us spread the word and develop that talent pipeline, and also fill that skills gap, let people know the skills that they need, because we're in a labor shortage right now in our construction industry. We can't find enough people to fill the jobs that we have, including entry-level positions all the way through management, upper-level ownership positions. So, developing that talent pipeline and letting young people know the opportunities that lay ahead is a wonderful opportunity.
I think the most notable takeaway from today is the collaboration that has happened between employers and educators and community partners, and how everyone has just showed up today and embraced it and really made it happen. We've had sponsors from every industry sector and beyond come to the table to make this happen today.